Stay tuned until the end of the video and you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your lives in many ways. It may astonish you to discover that organic pressure is a genuinely ongoing revelation. It wasn't until the late 1950s that endocrinologist Hans Selye first recognized and recorded pressure. Side effects of pressure existed some time before Selye, however his disclosures prompted new research that has helped millions adapt to pressure. We've gathered a list of the main 10 different ways to soothe pressure. 1. Listen to music. In case you're feeling overpowered by an unpleasant circumstance, take a stab at taking a break and tuning in to loosening up music. Playing quiet music positively affects the mind and body, can bring down circulatory strain, and lessen cortisol, a hormone connected to pressure. We suggest cello ace Yo-Yo Ma playing Bach, however on the off chance that traditional truly isn't your thing, take a stab at tuning in to sea or nature sounds. It might sound mushy, however they have comparable loosening up impacts to music. 2. Talk it out with a companion. At the point when you're feeling focused on, enjoy a reprieve to call a companion and discussion about your issues. Great associations with companions and friends and family are essential to any solid way of life. They're particularly significant when you're under a great deal of pressure. A consoling voice, in any event, for a moment, can place everything in context. 3. Talk yourself through it. Now and again calling a companion isn't a choice. If so, talking smoothly to yourself can be the following best thing. Try not to stress over appearing to be insane, simply disclose to yourself why you're worried, what you need to do to finish the main job, and above all, that there is no reason to worry. 4. Eat healthy. Feelings of anxiety and a legitimate eating regimen are firmly related. At the point when we're overpowered, we frequently neglect to eat well and resort to utilizing sweet, greasy nibble nourishments as a jolt of energy. Attempt to stay away from sweet tidbits and plan ahead. Products of the soil are in every case great, and fish with significant levels of omega-3 unsaturated fats have been appeared to decrease the side effects of pressure. A fish sandwich truly is mind nourishment. 5. Laugh it off. Giggling discharges endorphins that improve temperament and reduction levels of the pressure-causing hormones cortisol and adrenaline. Giggling fools your sensory system into satisfying you. Our recommendation: observe some of your down moments, force your mind to bring the good memories. And just give it a go and smile until it becomes less heavier burden. This will bring your mood up. If practiced often. 6. Drink tea. A huge portion of caffeine causes a transient spike in circulatory strain. It might likewise cause your hypothalamic pituitary adrenal pivot to go into overdrive. Rather than espresso or caffeinated drinks, attempt green tea. It has not exactly a large portion of the caffeine of espresso and contains solid cancer prevention agents, just as theanine, an amino-corrosive that has a quieting impact on the sensory system. 7. Be careful. The greater part of the tips we've proposed give prompt alleviation, yet there are additionally numerous way of life changes that can be progressively successful over the long haul. The idea of care is an enormous piece of reflective and substantial ways to deal with psychological well-being and has become famous as of late. From yoga and kendo to reflection and Pilates, these frameworks of care consolidate physical and mental activities that keep worry from turning into an issue. Take a stab at joining a class. 8. Exercise, in any event, for a moment. Exercise doesn't really mean force lifting at the rec center or preparing for a long-distance race. A short stroll around the workplace or just rising up to extend throughout a break at work can offer prompt help in an upsetting circumstance. Getting your blood going discharges endorphins and can improve your temperament momentarily. 9. Sleep more. Everybody realizes pressure can make you lose rest. Sadly, absence of rest is additionally a key reason for pressure. This endless loop makes the mind and body escape whack and just deteriorates with time. Make a point to get the specialist prescribed 7 to 8 hours of rest. Turn the TV off prior, diminish the lights, and give yourself an opportunity to unwind before heading to sleep. It might be the best pressure buster on our rundown. 10. Breathe simple. The counsel, take a full breath, may appear to be a buzzword, yet it remains constant with regards to pressure. For quite a long time, Buddhist priests have been aware of purposeful breathing during reflection. For a simple 3 to 5 minute exercise, sit up in your seat with your feet level on the floor and hands on your knees. Take in and out gradually and profoundly, focusing on your lungs as they extend completely in your chest. While shallow breathing causes pressure, profound breathing oxygenates your blood, helps focus your body, and clears your brain. Healthy ways. Subscribe for daily health tips.